Hello! Where's my husband? Ba't ka nagtatago?
No, you're supposed to. Oh my god.
It's okay. Ano ba? Okay, we're gonna lock this one. Okay, so this is the... What's our hotel name again? Dapi-dapi. Nagtago.
O-N-A. O-A Mo.
Aray ko!
Ay, grabe siya.
Gusto mo yata ng away. Anyways. Okay, so this is like the... What do you call this? This is not a cabinet. Is this a cabinet? So, ganito siya pagpasok.
It's like a walk-in closet, I guess.
And then, sabit natin dyan. Oops! Oh my God! May jacket na agad.
Magic.
Grabe naman yung asawa ko. Nagsabit na agad. And then yung tuwalya namin, nilagay namin dito. It's empty here. So, close ulit natin. And then, here makikita yung salamin. Oh my God, so haggard na. Kasi, dumating kami dito kanina, I think, ano oras again? Like 1:30 p.m. Pero ang check-in is like 3 p.m. But we were allowed to be in here na kasi ready naman na daw. So, there you go. And then, here's the bathroom. So, mas gusto ko naman to, yung bathroom dito, kumpara dun sa hotels namin sa Netherlands kasi mas malaki. And like, andito na yung travel size pouch, yung makeups and everything ko. Andyan na siya. And then yung aking mga liquids. So, andyan na yung brush ni Ren. So, ayan, laking salamin. And when you turn here, there's a bowl. Sabitan ng tuwalya dyan or anything, pero yeah, ayaw namin sabitan. And dito yung shower. And hindi pa nga natatry, tomorrow na. Okay, labas tayo. So, may mga gamit na kami dyan kasi kanina hindi nakapag-tour agad because kumala na kami agad. Kasi gutom na kami. So, andyan na yung mga bags namin. So, makalat. And there's a television there and a cabinet here. The sad part here is when you open this, you don't find a refrigerator or a freezer like what the other hotel usually have. And television and lampshade and another salamin here. So, mayaman sa mga salamin. Love, may ilaw ba dito? On this part, I'm not sure.
Oh, there's a lampshade right there.
And then here, we're on the 4th floor. This is the highest floor for this hotel. And during the day, when you open this one, actually, there's supposedly a view there. So, hindi makikita tonight kasi it's madilim na. Pero, yeah. Wala namang masyadong, walang kapitbahay. It's just pure puno. Like, a lot of trees. Okay, and then we can close this for some privacy. Ganyan. And then, okay, medyo makalat na. So, here's a table. So, nito yung mga pasalubong. And, pasalubong, yeah. Just some ref magnets. Chuchu. There's my bag and then my jacket kasi malamig pala rito. Supposedly, in-expect namin, or like me, summer, pero it's autumn na. So, yun na nga. Here's our bed and yung mga outfits ni husband. So, malawak tong bed na to and like queen size siya kumpara sa Netherlands na pinagtabi lang yung what do you call that? What's single size?
Twin bed.
It's twin bed na pinagdikit lang. So like, yeah, at least this one, isang lang siya. And then there's some display there. And then yung husband ko busy na naman mag-scroll. Hinihintay lang ako ano hinihintay mo? Hinihintay mo ako tapos itong... And then we're going downstairs kasi gugutom daw siya. Ako, busog pa ako sa lahat ng pinagkakain. Laki ng servings dito. So, there you go! Say bye! Say bye!
I said bye!
Hello? React.
I didn't expect that. Didn't.
Feeling ko mukbang tayo maghapon. Look at our order. When are on way, baby, tali mo muna yung ano mo.
Yung.
Sintas, both of them. Yeah. So this is Belgium. And we're on our way to the Grand Palace. Ginaw? Sobrang ginaw. Mas maginaw dito kaysa sa Netherlands. Ha? Laki ah. Saan tayo magpipicture? Dito, gilid tayo. Kukuhanan ko lang siya ng ano. In here. Sobrang daming tao rito. Mas maraming tao dito. It's like Manila. Pero first class.
Yes.
Okay, tell me something about yourself. Tell me something. No, tell me something about what you feel right now that you're here in Belgium. Brussels.
The architecture is very, very tall and beautiful.
Ooh. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, let's get a 360 view of this one and then we're gonna enter this one. Because we think it's a church. Is it? Let's find out. Hello.
Hello. Hello, bonjour.
Ah, bonjour. Merci.
Papa?
Nagagaling namin dyan sa Galeries Royal St. Hubert. And ito yung navigator ko. And sabi niya, kakaliwa. Right? Okay, let's go. I think I can see it. Yung may ano, may gold. Oo. Oh, mahal ko siya for the bikes. Saan ang harap net? May mga tao din. Oh,
Wow.
grabe. Parang siyang gold. I mean, is it gold? Oh my goodness. Is that gold?
Yeah.
Hmm. Wait, dito lang. Ano lang, pipicturean ko lang.
Pintura lang siya.
Ah, pintura. Okay, there you go. Medyo nakaka-haggard gumala rito sa... Ay! Hindi ko matanggal. Gusto ko lang naman sanang ipakita yung yung ice cream namin. Asan ba? Ayun pala. Tapos yung asawa ko, Love, saan ka busy?
Sa train ticket.
Ah, okay. Kasi kanina, so wala kasing English translation yung sa train station. So, medyo naligaw-ligaw ng konti. Sumakay kami kasi merong dalawang security doon. Tapos sabi nila, okay lang naman daw. Hindi naman kami, hindi naman kami napahamak. Pero kinakabahan na talaga ako kanina. Kasi, parang hindi sila masyadong i-English. So, hindi ko alam kung paano sila nagkakaintindihan ni Renz. But anyways, ang sarap ng mango. Like, literal, lasang mango. Yan.
I figured it out though. You should be good now.
Okay. How? How though?
I don't know.
No, I don't know. So, parang ang nangyari, sumakay kami sa train. Wala pang ticket. Supposedly may fine yun eh. Hindi kami nakita hindi namin nakita yung conductor, although nag-ask naman kami sa security. But they just let us go. O parang free doon. Diba?
Yeah, na-safe kami for one moment.
Yeah, pero yun lang. So yun, kumpara sa Netherlands, ewan ko, mas sobrang daming tao dito. And medyo, ang tawag dito? Medyo mas natakot ako, kinakabahan, or like alert. Like, felt not so secured. Feeling ko lang naman. Kumpara sa Amsterdam. So, yeah. Anyway, bye-bye! Ay, susubuan mo ko. Ano ba yun? Pahiya ako dun, Mahal ba?
Masarap?
Mahal ba?
Masarap ba?
Mahal ba?
Masarap.
Ah.
Lalaki ba? Lalaki ba?
Oo. Parang nagkatingin lang kami.
Bayan. Kama si Luis yun eh.
Oo, parang gano'n. Napakarando. Ay, ang ingay. Bakit may construction? Ano yun lang? So, this is the Mount of Art. It's kind of far away, but there's a man in a kabayo, and that's my husband. I don't know kung tinitingnan niya. So, there you go. There you go. Okay, let's go. And if you can see, if we zoom in that building, there's an apple. Binibidyo niya ako, tapos binibidyo ko din siya. Ito, may kumakanta doon, tapos yun yung apple. Ito, tingnan natin yung view. There you go. Ganda.
Loves.
Hi, kids. We're going to the Royal Palace. Yun na yun. Anong pangalan? The Royal Place? The Place or Palace? Parang dyan ba nakatira yung mga ano nila? King and Queen? Something? Is it King and Queen here?
Alam mo ba hindi pinapakita sa Google Maps na?
Bakit?
Naka-blur?
Bakit?
Kasi monarchy.
Ay, ganun ba? So, bawal siya i-upload.
Hindi na sa bawal i-upload, pero like...
Tayo, yun o, yung kikita tayo. Diba?
Okay.
Oye, porque ¿sabes lo que pasa? Como está borrado todas las fotos, está viendo las fotos.